And now on deck to serve, we have jersey number 5, Carino of Team Lalo. And as we can see, a great swipe coming from the team captain of Team Gonzaga. We have their jersey number 10, Patchag, who is very consistent with that kind of attack. Now, Valdemar will pushes that ball. And the lefty scores for Team Gonzaga. 2-1 is our score now. And nice serve coming from the Kapitana. And Seguire on that powerful hit. Iniwasan ang blockers ng Team Lalo. And now Gonzaga is up by 2. And still on the service line, we have their team captain, Patchag. Okay, a chance ball and a 1-2 play for Team Gonzaga. Regalo para kay Seguire. And that point is for Team Gonzaga. 4-1 is our score.
Seguire here is showing veteran moves. I've been watching her since nung college siya. And she's sharing her veteran moves here sa match nila with Lalo.
Ayan, push by the lefty. Kaday. Now set to libero to the lefty. An attack error is committed by Seguritan. Jersey number 9 of Team Gonzaga.
That error will bring Kaday of Team Lalo to the service line. Gonzaga now with a 2-point lead. Tignan natin kung paano to hahabulin ng Team Lalo. And a great poke there coming from Seguire.
Ayan, medyo napako po Sir Joms. Si Columna there. Now to serve, we have jersey number 13. Guillermo, walang blockers. And our scorer now is 6-2. Team Gonzaga is up by 4.
Medyo maganda yung offense na pinapakita dito ng Gonzaga at sunod-sunod yung opensa nga binibigay nila sa Team Lalo. Team Lalo will try to get a point from that offense. And another great attack from Seguire, forcing Lalo to give a free ball. Seguire again, and a miscommunication coming from Team Lalo. That's a point for Team Gonzaga.
As we can see, you know how much effort Columna gives that for digging. And now, a nice receive coming from Columna. Again, Columna will receive that ball to Valdemar. With the targeting the hands of Edra. And now she is on the service line. Jersey number 22 of Team Lalo.
Lalo is showing a great defense here. Too much power there coming from Team Lalo. And a point for Team Gonzaga. Gonzaga now with a 5-point lead.
Overset there by Carino. And nabigyan ng regalo si Seguire. And now Team Lalo calls for a timeout.
Gonzaga here has a 6-point lead with 9 points. And if Team Lalo would like to catch up dun sa kalamangan ng Gonzaga, they need to watch out for the attacks coming from Saguire. And they need to up their defense. Although maganda na yung defense ng Lalo, they are catching up with the offense of Gonzaga. But Gonzaga is showing a great offense here, lalo na pag nasa harap tong si Saguire. And let's see kung paano iti-turn around ng Lalo tong larong ito, or itutuloy-tuloy ba ng Gonzaga ang mga opensa nila sa pagkuha ng puntos.
And I guess Columna is now on the front, and possibly kukuha sila ng puntos coming from Columna. Because as we can see, Columna has a nice approach and a powerful spike also like Saguire. And now they are on the front line. To serve, Seguritan. Targeting the hands of Combate, and now of chance ball for Team Gonzaga. A drop shot is blocked by Guillermo. Nice chase there by Guillermo. Following jersey number 27 there. And now Combate is on the service line. And too much power on that serve. That will give a free point to Team Gonzaga. And now Saguire is on deck to serve for Team Gonzaga.
And as you've mentioned kanina, Columna getting a point from being on the front line now. Kaninang nasa likod siya, napakaganda ng depensa niya. Ngayon nasa harap siya, she's showing a good offense here. And that point narrowed the gap to 5 points. Guillermo on the service line, 5, serving 10. Shaky reception there coming from Gonzaga. And another point for Team Lalo. Tingnan natin kung paano babawi ang Team Lalo. A poke shot and a miscommunication from Team Lalo, giving a point to Team Gonzaga. Jersey number 27 of Team Gonzaga on the service line, 11, serving 6.
Ayan, jersey number 27 targeting the hands of the libero. And that heavy serve, couldn't get that ball up by Vargas. And now jersey number 27 will try again, challenging the libero. But nice receive there by Vargas. Now on the lefty. Libero setting up to Columna. To the lefty, a drop shot. Columna will try, and that cross court will give a point for Team Lalo.
Team Lalo is capitalizing on the position of Columna right now, and they are trying to minimize the gap on their score. Columna now back on the back line of our court. Tingnan natin kung paano pupuntos ang Lalo para mahabol ang Gonzaga. Gonzaga now has a 6-point lead, and they are continuously showing a great offense here. Ayan, tingnan naman natin yung mga kasama natin dito sa ating live chat box. Nandyan si RJ France ng Team Enrile. Hello RJ. And si Lester Calubakib Escobar ng Team Tugigaraw City. Galingan nyo daw Gonzaga, sabi ni Aji Takla. At shoutout daw kay Luis Jan, sabi ni John Christian Pelovelio. Go Gonzaga, sabi ni Luis Jan Gonzalez. At Go United Kingdom, sabi ni John Christian Pelovelio. Anong team dito yung United Kingdom? John Christian. Shoutout daw kay Sheila Yabad, sabi ni Esheng Reboldera. Men's Division for Tugigiraw, wala pong schedule for today. Pero we have great matches this afternoon for our men's division. We have the match between Solana and Pamplona, Santo Niño versus Lasam, Gonzaga versus Lalo, and of course Alacapan versus Peña Blanca. Our action-packed volleyball here at Apong All Cagayano Conference will continue next year. Ilang araw na lang po ang ating aantayan.
Okay, back to the ball game now. And a misreceive coming from Seguire with that hit from Kaday. Now the setter for Team Lalo is on deck to serve. We have jersey number 5, Carino. Received by Seguire, open to the lefty. And the lefty founds the end line. And a point for Team Gonzaga. Now, Seguire in the middle. And a point will go to Team Gonzaga. And our score now is 15, serving 8. And on deck to serve, we have jersey number 10, their team captain, Patchag. A 1-2 play is no good for Team Lalo. $16 now is our score. Combate will pushes that ball, and now Seguire will try. Valdemore. Too much power on that hit coming from Valdemore. And now too much error. Unforced error for Team Lalo as we can see. And tuloy-tuloy lang ang puntos. And coming from Team Gonzaga. An addition with that service ace by Patchag. And now Team Lalo call for a timeout.
Ayan. 10 puntos na po ang kalamangan ng Team Gonzaga after showing powerful offense after powerful offense. And if Team Lalo would like to catch up on this set, they really need to minimize the errors that they are committing. And of course, they need to up their defense again. Lalong-lalo na nasa likod, nasa backline ngayon, si Columna. And the rotation of Team Lalo, they have attackers from the back, they have attackers in front. And Team Lalo should watch out for those offenses. Kailangan nilang lakasan pa yung depensa nila sa set na to para mahabol ang 10 puntos na kalamangan ng Team Gonzaga. And we're back to the ball game.
Ayan, Team Lalo should capitalize Kaday, because Kaday is a gun runner for Team Lalo. Ayan, and it's still on deck to serve. We have jersey number 10, Patchag of Team Gonzaga. Columna misreceived one, and a service ace will granted to Team Gonzaga.
Nice service there coming from the team captain of Gonzaga.
And I don't know bakit nawawalan ng focus si Columna during this game between Gonzaga. And now set to Kaday, a push there at the back. Amparo will go to Seguritan, the lefty, and that ball sails out for Team Gonzaga. And a point for Team Lalo now. Kaday is on the back line to serve for Team Lalo.
Great save there coming from Sagire. Pero medyo napalakas yung balik ng bola. And the point for Team Lalo. Kaday still on the service line, 10 serving 19.
Valdemar will pushes that ball. And Sagire. And a nice save there by Combate.
Great intention coming from Seguritan. Pero medyo nagkulang yung power nung push na sa bola. And that point will go to Team Lalo.
Ayan, si Kaday very consistent sa kanyang mga services. And now, she committed a service error. Napagod na rin siguro. And now, our score is 20 o 19, serving 12.
Service error there coming from Team Gonzaga.
Now Columna will be back on the court for the offense of Team Lalo.
She's now in the front line. Let's see if they can capitalize her actions or her offense. Pero Sagire is showing another veteran move there.
You know, when Sagire is up and hit that ball, alam na alam niya yung mga butas ng Team Lalo.
Nakikita niya yung layout ng court sa kabila bago siya umatake.
Now Columna with that approach, an attack error. Gusto niyang ilihis kay Sagire ang bola pero diretso sa net. And that is a big problem and this crucial point for this match.
Another service error coming from Gonzaga, and if they want to finish this match or this set early, they need to minimize those service errors. Especially that Lalo is showing great services.
Ayan, Guillermo pushes that ball with the help of the net. And a lucky point for Team Lalo. 15 serving 22 is our score now.
And Sagire with a smart attack there. Nilaglag na naman niya yung bola kung saan wala nagbabantay. And Vargas wasn't able to catch that ball. Service ace coming from Sagire. Set point for Team Gonzaga.
Yes, challenging the libero and Valdemar on the back line with that service of Sagire. And now set to open. Columna with that hit. And misreceived by the libero of Team Gonzaga. And a point will go to Team Lalo. Guillermo is on deck to serve.
Missed receive there by Team Gonzaga. 7-point lead. Set point ng Team Gonzaga. Let's see if they'll end the set or Team Lalo will catch up
And Patsyag, the lefty, ends that set for Team Gonzaga, finding the hole in zone number 5 of Team Lalo.
We're now changing courts and we're going to set number 2 of this match between Gonzaga and Lalo. And if Lalo would want to stay on this match, they need to really minimize the errors that they are committing, especially up their defense dahil sobrang lakas ng opensa ng Team Gonzaga. Especially that Sagira is showing veteran moves and Patsyag, their team captain, is showing power from her attacks. And if Team Gonzaga would like to win the second set, they really need to minimize also their errors and be consistent with their attacks. Ayan. Balikan muna natin ang ating mga live audience. To our live audience and to those who just came in or who just joined us, you're watching the match between Lalo and Gonzaga. And mamaya lang po, kasunod nito ang laro sa pagitan ng Camalaniugan at Tuguegarao City. This is the second match for the women's division today. Igig won over Enrile kanina with a 2 straight set. Ayan, dumadami na yung fans ng Gonzaga.
And before that, Sir Joms, we would like to thank first our following sponsors. A special thanks to Attorney Alvaro Bong Antonio, the founder of the Apongs League, and also to Mayor of Pamplona, Mayor Digna Puzon Antonio, to Attorney Cristina I. Antonio, the Municipal Mayor of Team Alcala, and to the Director of this league, Ma'am Criselda Dadang I. Antonio. Thank you so much po for this league, the Apong Volleyball, the All Cagayano Conference.
I've worked with them before back in 2015-16 and alam mo talaga na they really gave importance to sports, and I'm so happy that they are bringing back the sports here in the province. Ayan, sabi ni Ian Carl Dopaya, bawi daw Lalo. Daniel Mon Padilla is watching from Tuguegarao City. And sabi ni Danica Joy Maristela, shoutout daw kay Ate Regen Valdez Viernes at saka kay Ate Gigi Cruzado. Go Gonzaga, sabi rin ni Cyrus Angelo Somar. Of course, we're live sa Facebook page ng Apong League at ng Smarter Multimedia Services. Yan. For more sports action, please do follow our Facebook pages, Apong League, Smarter Multimedia Services.
And now back to the court, and we will start our set number 2 of this match, played between Team Gonzaga versus Team Lalo. And to start this service by Valdemar, Patsyag. Nice chase there by De Libero, but De Libero will give up free ball for Team Gonzaga. A joust on the net. There's a net touch violation by Guillermo. And a point for Team Gonzaga. Patsyag is on deck to serve. Nice dig there by Saribay. And Columna will try again. And off the block point coming from Columna, challenging Seguire there with their powerful spike. Now Seguire will try, and a headshot coming from Seguire.
Bumawi agad si Seguire.
Ay na hindi na-anticipate ni Carino ang attacking yon ni Seguire. And Edra committed a service error. And now we are tied at 2. Guillermo is on deck to serve. Ayun, sabi po ni Sairi Angelo Summer, mas masarap pala manood ng volleyball kesa magmahal. Ayun, agree ka ba, Sir Joms?
Yes, yes. Mas masaya po talaga mag-volleyball kesa magmahal. Kasi ang volleyball hindi kanya niiwan.
Ayan, tama. As we can see now, Columna will push that ball with the help of the net. And a misreceive there by Seguritan. And a point for Team Lalo.
And Team Lalo is showing a great offense at the start of the second set of this match. Tingnan natin kung itutuloy-tuloy nila ito or mababasa ng Team Gonzaga ang kanilang gameplay for the second set.
Ayan, Columna and Kaday is on front. And nice
Great block
there.
Miscommunication there coming from Team Lalo from that attack of Seguire. A point for Team Gonzaga. We're now tied at 3.
And Seguritan is on deck to serve now. Targeting Kaday. Kaday will attack. Targeting down the line. But that hit went outside for Kaday. And now Team Gonzaga is up by 1. 4-3 is our score. Bacro ang setter. And a violation there for Team Lalo. Seguritan is still on deck to serve. Kaday with that receive. Kaday, top spin. Seguire sa gitna. And the ball is still on play. Seguire on that off-speed attack. And now Columna. Challenging Seguire there. Pero ang ganda ng lihis ni Columna sa kanyang palo. And now, she is on the service line for Team Lalo.
Let's see how their gameplay changes in the second set of this match.
Saribay showing power with that hit. And an off the block hit. Point for Team Gonzaga. Nice pick up there by the libero. And now a chance ball for Team Lalo. Huminingi ni Kaday. And a point for Team Lalo on that quick attack coming from Kaday. Narrowing the lead to 1. And now a chance ball. Team Lalo. Nice receive there by Columna. Valdemore with the attack error. And our official score, 7-5 in favor of Team Gonzaga. What is coming from Saribay? A chance ball now for Team Gonzaga. And binigay sa lefty Pachag on that down the line hit. Nakabantay ang libero. And Valdemar will pushes that ball. Pachag with that dump attack.
The setter capitalizing on the team captain of Team Gonzaga. And finally, from the third attempt, they got a point.
Free ball for Team Gonzaga now. Too long on that hit coming from Edra on that cross-court kill. And now Kaday is on deck to serve for Team Lalo. 6 serving 8.
And that service error will give 1 free point to Team Gonzaga. And will bring Amparo to the service line.
A chance ball again for Team Gonzaga. Pachag with that powerful tip. Seguritan tries but pick up by Combate. Sa gitna, Guillermo sails that ball out. And a point for Team Gonzaga. Amparo, the setter, is on deck to serve. Nice pick up there by Seguire. An over-receive. And that ball will go straight to the net. 7-10 is our score. And chance ball now for Team Lalo. Sa gitna, Pachag. With a cross-court attack in the middle. Courtesy of the team captain, Pachag. 11-7 is our score now. Ayan. The setter couldn't get that ball up with that poor reception coming from Combate. And now Team Gonzaga is up by 5. Open. Kay Columna. Medyo nagdalawang isip si Columna if papaluin niya ba yon ang overset ni Carino. But that push will make a point for Team Gonzaga. 13-7 is our score.
And Gonzaga has a 6-point lead now. You're still watching Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference, and this is a match between Lalo and Gonzaga. Again, Gonzaga is showing a good offense here. Lalo is also upping their offense. Medyo humahabol na sila sa opensa ng Gonzaga, and it's really bearing fruits with their effort kasi medyo nahahabol nila yung puntos ng Gonzaga. But this is still a big gap between these two teams. Tignan natin kung paano hahabulin ng Lalo. If they will stop a 2-set win for Team Gonzaga, or Team Gonzaga will sweep this match. Up next is the match between Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao City. We'll have another women's division match this morning. Then we'll have the men's division this afternoon.
Ayan, coming up next is Team Camalaniugan versus the powerhouse Tuguegarao City in the women's division. Ayan, a supporter from Team Gonzaga. Hello to Winwin Tomas Asena. Gonzaga pa rin po ang mananalo, sabi niya. And now back to the ball game. Carino sa gitna. What a push by Guillermo. Nice decision there to swipe that ball in through the hands of Seguire. Now Carino, jersey number 5, the setter, will serve for Team Lalo. Sa gitna, Seguritan. Sails that ball out. And a point for Team Lalo. 9 serving 13.
Great attack there coming from Sagiri. At hindi na nahuli ng libero ng Team Lalo. Nice back set there coming from the setter of Team Lalo. Bringing the ball to Guillermo and bringing a point for their team. Four-point lead ang Team Gonzaga, and they need to watch out because Columna is now in the front line. Smart move there coming from Columna.
This will be an epic clash between Columna and Segire because they are up in front. Now setting to Kaday in the middle. And a nice quick attack there coming from the setter Combate to Kaday.
A timeout called by Team Gonzaga, and I think they realize that Lalo already are seeing yung kahinaan ng Team Gonzaga. Let's see if Team Gonzaga will cope up with the adjustments made by Team Lalo in their offense and defense. Especially now that Columna is in front, they need to up their defense to prevent them from catching up from the score. 2 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan ng Gonzaga. And as we all say, lagi natin sinasabi sa larong volleyball, bilog ang bola, and we'll never know who will win the match unless we reach the match point. Up next po is the match between Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao City. We have great matches today, great volleyball matches to end our 2023. And of course, we're so excited for 2024 kasi alam nating mas lalakas pa itong mga players natin dito sa Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. We're back to the ball game, and Lalo is still on the service line, 12 serving 14. And with that service error, 3 na naman po ang kalamangan ng Team Gonzaga.
And Seguritan now is on deck to serve. Any back-to-back error for both teams in that service line. And now Columna will try to serve the ball for Team Lalo. And an off-system play. Chance ball for Team Lalo. Sa gitna, Kaday. It's blocked by Segire. And now a dump shot for Segire. Segire to Saribay. And the libero couldn't get that ball. Too much angle for that hit. Hindi nakapesto ng maayos ang libero ng Team Lalo. And now our score is 16-13. Gonzaga is up by 3. Kaday misreceived that one. And a chance ball now for Team Gonzaga. Nice pick up there by Columna. Again, Pachag will try with her signature move. A power tip coming from Pachag.
She's really using her height to their advantage. Chance ball for Team Lalo. Another smart move there coming from Patiag. And a timeout called by Team Lalo. Ilaban nyo Lalo, sabi ni Gimo Alcantara Dupaya Vargas. Kaya naglalabasan na yung mga supporters ng Lalo. Sabi ni Shara Von, wag daw kayong nininervyos. It really is not only a battle of skills and power, it is also a psychological battle for our players, especially when they are inside the court. Yung pressure nila to defend and to give a powerful attack so that they could get a point for their team is also mentally challenging to them. Especially that they are representing their municipality. Kaya nga nagpapasalamat tayo sa mga proponents ng ating Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference.
And back to the ball game now to serve. We have the team captain. Ay, no. Sagire is on deck to serve. And that is a great serve coming from Sagire. Challenging the three defenders of Team Lalo. And now Sagire committed a service error. A free point will be given to Team Lalo. 14-19. Our score. And Combate now, jersey number 17 is on deck to serve. Poor reception by Sagire. And now a push sa gitna. Kaday also pushes that ball. Pinalo ni Pachag. Now to Saribay. And as we can see, a drop ball party coming from both teams. Sa gitna, push. Pachag is dug up by the libero.
Great rally here coming from Gonzaga and Lalo. And that attack coming from Pachag ended that rally. Parang nababasa ko yung mukha ni Patsyag. Sabi niya, wag ganun kahaba, mapapagod tayo. Patayin agad. Gonzaga with a 6-point lead, making it 7 after that reception error. Sa mga bagong dating po sa ating live stream, you're watching the second match of the day between Lalo and Gonzaga. Coming up is the match between Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao City. You're still watching Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. Of course, brought to us by the local government unit of Alcala, headed by Attorney Tintin Antonio. The local government unit of Pamplona, headed by Mayor Digna Antonio. And of course, the founder of Apong League, no other than former Governor Bong Antonio, and the director of the Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference, Ma'am Criselda Dadang Antonio. We're back to the ball game with Saribay on the service line. Last 3 points for Team Gonzaga.
Again, a
And
back-to-back service aces coming from Saribay. Saribay showing a power on that serve. Again, a great serve coming from Saribay. And a chance ball now for Team Gonzaga. Off the block hit coming from Edra. And now Team Gonzaga is on their match point. Kaday. And now Gonzaga will try for the win. Pachag is blocked. Grabe, bantay na bantay ni Kaday. Ang opensang yon coming from Pachag. And now they are
nice
still
block there
fighting.
coming from Kaday.
16 serving match point. No room for errors now for Team Lalo. They want to play. Pachag for the win through the hands of Kaday, and now Team Gonzaga won this match against Team Lalo. It's straight to sets. Ayan.
Gonzaga showing great offense and a veteran move coming from Segire. Parang hindi tumatanda tong si Segire sa paglalaro ng volleyball. Never kumupas yung kanyang mga skills sa volleyball. And we really love to see old and new players coming together to show off their skills and to give us a good match. Speaking of good match coming up. Match between Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao City. Let's see if Tuguegarao will defend their straight wins in our elimination round here at Apong Volleyball All Cagayano Conference. Sa mga bagong dating po sa ating live stream, please do follow our Facebook pages, Smarter Multimedia Services, and of course, Apong Lib. Mag-subscribe na rin po kayo sa aming mga Facebook pages para po sa madami pang sports action. Again, our live stream is brought to you by Smarter Multimedia Services, the #1 live stream provider in the region. After Camalaniugan and Tuguegarao, we have Claveria and Alcala. Let's see if Alcala will have a home court advantage against Claveria. Ayan, opo. Gonzaga nga po yung nanalo sa ating match. But we are still on our elimination round. They still have plenty of games na haharapin.